So, first of all, I'm Alessandro Inversini. On behalf of the Flagship partnership, I'm the coordinator of this fantastic project. I work at EHL, Hospitality Business School, and with some colleagues, now 3 years ago, more than 3 years ago, we have this idea of venturing in this flagship project. The Resilient Tourism Project is a project that has got more than 35 partners from the ground, from the industry, and more than 6 universities working together. It's one of the first cases, in my opinion, where there is an open public call about tourism, and the industry and the academia responded in that way. And it's fantastic to see how creativity is sparkling among universities and among partners. So this project is giving us the possibility of enhancing tourism competition at Swiss and international level. So the key questions that we had at the beginning of the flagship was, how can data support a better competitive environment for the overall Swiss tourism? And while talking to colleagues, while talking to the industry, we realized that there is not a single answer, but the answers are different. The answers need to be searched both in academia and in the industry. And with this collaboration between academia and industry, that the flagship is changing concretely the Swiss tourism landscape. We've been noticing, or we've been talking to different types of similar projects all over Europe, in the world. What is great about our project is that it's concrete. It's something that is actually happening. And we have use cases. We have people involved from academia and industry that are driving and rowing in the same direction. And I think this is fantastic, because this is really a great example of how industry and academia can really work together and create added value. So when we designed the flagship at the very beginning, we thought that having moments in which partners were getting together, sharing experiences, see each other in the face, was extremely important. And this is the third conference we're having on the flagship history, and the second last, I guess, because we're going to have another one. It's like getting back to friends and see how really things are working. How can we help? What are we done, and what can we do in order to help the tourism field? And again, as I told you at the very beginning, for me, this is a fantastic example of industry and academia collaboration, seamless collaboration, and great minds that are really going towards the same direction. Having a conference is essential to get people together, to see each other in the face and say, okay, I'm doing this, can you please help? One of the most interesting points now, we are in the third year of Flagship project, is the Flagship legacy. What is this huge 4-year project leaving us with? I don't have an answer yet, but what I'm seeing is that people, companies, university want to work together. And there is a community that was created and is growing inside the flagship and outside the flagship, with lots of different people wanting to join this program in order to benefit from this network and from this relationship. I'm not sure what is going to be the legacy of the flagship, but what I'm sure about is that we are not going to lose this momentum of intense networked projects that deliver value to the industry, to the academia, but also to the travel industry in general.